Ayan, good morning everyone. Masensya na medyo napahaba yung medyo napahaba yung intro. I was really trying to look for a good topic today. And yun, I was checking my inbox and ang dami kong natatanggap na message about Sir Lloyd, naipit ako kay ISM, this and that. Even in the chat room, ang daming concern, ang daming natatakot sa position nila kay ISM. I understand that. We're gonna be talking about that. This episode right now are for newbies. Yun yung topic natin ngayon. Especially ISM and the development and the third telco. Anong pwede natin gawin? We'll talk about PSEI. We'll talk more about that in a bit. So if you're watching the replay of the video, please forward to not 8:40 in the morning. That's when we start the talk. Please forward the video to around 25 minutes. Around 25 minutes, forward yung video. The discussion usually starts there, right? So, good morning everyone. Good morning to my daughter Laika. First up, sige, babasahin ko muna ang mga comments niyo. Please put in there, what do you think about the ISM, anong problema ninyo sa position ninyo? We'll talk about that, alright? Kasi yun yung tatanggalin ko ngayon. I really want people to be confident in their entries right now, right? So we're gonna be talking about the right mindset in getting in ISM and in stocks generally, in stock market. Dapat ano yung mindset natin? Bakit if nakikita nyo ako mag-trade, you don't see any fears, kampante lang. Why? Why is that? Why are the good traders not stressed out in their trading? Right? So, yun yung ituturo ko sa inyo. Yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, good morning. Ayan. Joel Gars, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning, then Hops. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, then. Take me wherever you go. Again, good morning. Dave Guapo Dadis. Ayan, good morning Sir Lloyd and thank you. Good morning then. Nick Ryan Tambal, Addison C. Good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Hops, inputs po kaya kay Aba para maiba naman. yeah, we're gonna be talking about the stock market generally. It's just that I don't want to be really aggressive in the other stocks right now, right? Kasi baka bumaba yung other stocks. Plus, we're on a wave C. I mean, yung stock market pababa, right? PSEI somehow bounced yesterday, so that's good. So, I don't want to be really aggressive as of the moment. Nagsusupport pa naman siya, di ba? So, but I don't want the people to be really aggressive in the market right now. I'm not seeing any good signs yet. As of the moment, kahapon, malaki pa rin yung selling. So, yun. We'll talk more about that. Inputs po kay Aba, we'll talk about that if may time. Pasensya na kahapon, naubos yung time natin. Ang concern ko lang talaga ngayon is ang daming tao na, what do you call this, ang daming tao na na-FOMO and still very concerned about their positions. Yun yung gusto ko talagang tanggalin, yung FOMO na yan. Right. So, let me write down si Aba. That was the question of, who do you call this? Hops, right? Adelaida Balaa, good morning Sir Lloyd and good morning then. Brilliant encore Sir Lloyd. Baka po makatulong kayo paano po mag-prioritization ng shares sold with different prices at different time frames. Paano po ang prioritization ng shares sold with different prices at different time frames? Hindi ko masyadong maintindihan yung tanong. Paano po prioritizations ng shares sold with different prices at different time frames? Ganito. So yeah, brilliant anchor, very 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 good question. Sige, simulan na natin discussion as it goes, right? Yan, so at least sa mga questions nyo man lang, right? So paano prioritization ng shares sold? Ayan, sa mga nagbebenta, the priority will be the one who is selling it at the lowest price. Kung sino yung pinaka mababang presyo na linalagay. Let me open my call account and get the share and bid just to make this clearer, right? So a little lesson sa mga nagtatanong, right? So for example, let's open up anong stock? Ayaw no, all PSEI. Hindi lumalabas yung mga stocks right? To go. Ayan, so ito. Let me share my screen. Here we go. So, for example, si To Go, right? This is my public port, so okay lang mabuksan ito. Let me just zoom in. Ayan, so if napapansin nyo, kung sino yung priority, meaning sino yung nauuna sa orders, yung ma-execute talaga, the lowest price, 11.0, 11.30, 11.5, siya yung nauuna sa prioritization. Right? And then there's a number here, 1, 2, that's the number of bidders. This is the size of the stocks, magkano yung board lot yung ilan stocks na binibenta niyan. Isang tao lang. This number 1 right here, that means isang tao lang ang nagsisell at this price right here. Now, what if it becomes number 2? That means dalawang tao. If it becomes 3, tatlong tao. So, how do you prioritize these 3? For example, 3 ito, or 2 lang ito, dito sa 2. Right? So, sinong nauuna dito? Yung unang nag-submit, siya yung mauuna. Right? Sa dalawang yan. So, sa tatlo, sino yung mga naunang nag-submit ng order na yan, siya yung mauunang i-benta at that price. Right? So, that's how the prioritization works. Even on different time frames, right? I hope that is the question you mean by brilliant encore. Sana nasagot ko. Jonathan Manipon, good morning Sir Lloyd from KSA. Good morning sa iyo, Jonathan, and our mga kapatid natin, mga OFWs in KSA. Good morning sa inyo. Jason Ibay, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Brilliant encore sample 945 bought 100 shares, 1 peso, 950 bought 100 shares, 2 pesos from the company. So support mo, no. Support mo mag-a-average lang naman 'yan eh. So it doesn't matter kung sinong stock ang mabebenta. What matters is your average. Yung average mo mag-aakyat naman 'yan eh. So there's really no prioritization on what stocks you bought. Your average just comes up and then it just goes down if ever ang binabasa ng system is not the stocks na binili mo kung sino unang binili mong stocks, but it's your average that the system counts, right? So para malaman mo talaga yung price na makukuha mo. So it doesn't really matter. Yan, so yan. Halo na yan. Ayan. Belladonna, good morning Sir Lloyd, and Laika, good morning then Bella. Techie P, good morning Sir Lloyd. Ella Montefalco, good morning. Gorley, good morning Sir Lloyd. Greetings sa sponsor ko ng BP My Wife. So, nakaka-relate ako dyan. Dati, whenever I lose, matinding usapan nangyayari pag natatalo ako. Right? Kasi yung mga partners natin, sila yung bossing natin sa buying power natin eh. So, yun talaga. Rodel Gatchalian, good morning Sir Lloyd from Singapore. Ayan, kapatid natin mo. OFWs from Singapore, good morning. And especially to Rodel. Oscar Romagos, good morning by Lloyd and family. Good morning din, Oscar. Tom Mussolini Fernan, good morning Sir Lloyd. Yung 3 days probation for verification will be tomorrow or Monday na? Monday na, right? It will be on Monday. There is a case, may update kay PTNT kahapon na nag-withdraw sila ng petition. I'm not really sure if that's the motion for the reconsideration or yung unang case na final nila, di ba? So, if ever anyone knows more details, pasensya na hindi ko na kasi medyo late na nung nabasa ko yung disclosure ng PTNT, so hindi na ako nakapag-research talaga. So if you know, please post it in the comments. So nga pala guys, a little request on my end, please share the video para mas marami pang newbies ang makakaalam sa program na ito, especially now that this topic is really for newbies kasi ang daming pumapasok sa ISM, hindi nila alam ginagawa nila. So gusto kong tanggalin yung fears. Ano ba yung kinatatakutan nyo sa ISM as of the moment? Please post it on the comments para masagot natin yan. Right? Hops, yung stigma ng marami kay now is very evident. Totoo. Yet, kung dati lumilipad ang mga ng mga third telco stocks, si ISM ngayon hindi lumilipad. That's weird, 'di ba? Si ECP noon lumipad. Si now lumipad. Si STR nga nung lumabas yung nung news sa STR nagsiling, 'di ba? Nagsiling sa opening. So, and now wala na, hindi hirap magsiling nga si ISM. So, yeah, very very right. The stigma is still there, very evident. Good observation, Hops. Marami kay now is very evident. Ayaw nang masunog ng mga tao. Kahit ako, di ko malaman ano dapat gawin if hold, sell, buy half on dips or what. Yan. Question from JR. Sir Lloyd, what if the bidding is currently ongoing tapos nagbid ka sa buying on ceiling price? Automatic ba na mababa yung current price? Meaning, una ka sa pila lagi. Una ka sa pila and then you get the average, right? For example, the current price is 10 pesos and then i-bid mo ng 15. What you get is the average around 12.5. So you are gonna be able to get the price at 12.5. Yung nagbid ng 10 pesos, 12.5 yung makukuha pera niya. So you both meet the same way, right? Sa mga nagbebenta naman, you'd never get anything lower than your bid, your ask price. So kung ibebenta mo ng G's, tas magmay ng flooring, meaning hindi mabebenta yung stock mo, you never get what is lower the price that you want to sell it. Pero sa buying, makukuha mo yan ng mas mura, right? So that's why people bid at if napapansin niyo sa opening ng market, if may nagbe-bid ng ceiling and then yung price biglang umaakyat at around 25%, right? So yun yung nasa gitna eh. So it averages around that level right there. Kung ano yung mga the opening price is really a culmination of all the sa lahat ng mga transactions na nangyari. And then, it averages it. That's the opening price, right? So, yan yung opening price. Jeremy Smart Gamboa, good morning sa lahat. At Master Lloyd and Laika, good morning din. June Deliguero, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pasilip po, IRC, MHC, salamat yan. Si IRC, MHC, MHC. Si IRC, okay naman si IRC, right? Aso lang bumababa si IRC ngayon. Alright, let's check out IRC's Let's check out IRC's chart. Let me just load my my chart para mas maganda. Right, IRC. And let me put this full screen. Look at that. Good bounce at the support, diba? Nagka-sell off kahapon, but then again, I tell you guys, bakit? Bakit? Always remember the reason why we got in IRC. Pumasok tayo kay IRC because of the subway project. Nagkakabentahan lang, but the project is still there. Do not let the price action fool you, right? Pero I understand yung mga nasa taas nagbebentahan dahil dito because they want to trade it. Tuturo ko sa inyo bakit. But IRC, very good bounce at IRC. Baka magtuloy-tuloy itong bounce na ito kay IRC. Right? So IRC is good. This is a good confirmation for IRC. Tingnan nyo yan. Pag binenta nyo yan, sasaluhin lang ng mga magagaling yan. Do not let the price action fool you. If you went in because of the choo-choo train, focus on the choo-choo train, right? So mag-focus kayo doon. I'll teach you more about the strategy kay IRC in a while kasi yun yung topic ko talaga ngayon about these kinds of positions. Nasisira ang mga strategy ng mga tao dahil sa price action, right? Ghanistan, good morning Sir Lloyd from Afghanistan. Uy, from Afghanistan. Meron rin palang mga kapatid natin dyan. PHA, right? PHA, yan. Si PHA naman, yun. Good bounce kay PHA, bumababa lang si PHA, right? But overall, the fundamentals of PHA is good. So, if ever it dips even more, just buy more, right? Yun, mag-average down lang kayo sa bottom. Yun yung recommendation ko kay PHA. Ako, nagbawas ako. Mamaya na ako magdadagdag ng PHA once this is already on an uptrend, right? So, as of the moment, hindi ko pa dinadagdagan si PHA ko, right? Antayin ko lang talaga reversals. Anyways, maliit. Medyo malaki yung percentage but maliit pa naman ng pera na linalagay ko dito kasi hindi pa naman siya uptrend, di ba? So, test by levels pa lang naman ako yung PHA. So, PHA, kampante ako. But for you guys, I think this is good, right? This is a very good movement for PHA right here. Look at this. The prices are going down, right? The prices are going down, but the RSI is going up. So this could be a very good bottom for PHA. But andito na ako and that's not really a very big dip for PHA for me. So I don't really need to average down. But PHA's fundamentals, yan yung inaabangan ko. Kaya pumosisyon lang ako kay PHA ng konti lang muna, right? You just do test buy if ever hindi pa naman siya uptrend, right? Mark Cortez, good morning Sir Lloyd and to your family. Ayan, unahin na natin si Aba. Thank you so much Mark Cortez. Good morning to you too. Look at that. Aba, bumagsak. Bakit bumagsak? Kasi nagbentahan ng mga tao ng profits nila. They needed to liquidate their money. And then, lagay kay ISM. Now, look at ABA. It's forming a support kahit pula yan. The price action is doing strong. So, that's a support right there. If you wanna buy more ABA, this is a good avenue to buy it. Ako, naka-hold lang ako sa ABA ko. Right? Because this sell-off was just due to ISM. Lahat bumagsak halos because of ISM. Right? All attention are there. But kahit na umakyat si ISM, doesn't mean that ABA is not a good company, right? It's not a good position right now. It's just that ang market natin ngayon napaka-bearish, napaka-konti ng mga investors. So everything is not sustaining talaga. And then if the traffic kahapon, grabe, 'di ba? 2 billion ang traffic sa PSE, 1 billion 'yan na kay ISM, 'di ba? So ganun ka-heavy ang traffic kay ISM. So all attentions are there. Kaya yung other stocks hindi pa gaanong gumagalaw. But doesn't mean that ABA is not good. ABA is still very good, right? It's me, 1002. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. GT Cap and green, please. GT Cap. Right, GT Cap. GT Cap and green. And si GT Cap, right, somehow is forming a bounce. This is a pin bar right here. Antayin lang natin yung green before we wanna get in GT Cap. And then si green naman. Si green na green kahapon. But usually kasi, ang nangyayari nito, this is just a bounce of this downtrend right here. We don't really have the real price action of green as of the moment. It's just that the support is going up, right? So, if ever gusto nyo i-testing na ito, I'd rather wait for the real movement of green muna. But green right there is, yeah, you can use this upturn if you really want to get in green, right? I don't want to use that as of the moment. I really want more further action kay green. And you don't have to be aggressive at this point. Yan, for green. Christian Andrew de la Cruz, good morning Sir Lloyd. Nag-pullback si ISM kahapon. Ano magandang strategy today, sir? We're gonna be talking about ISM in a while. That's our main topic. JR, confirmed na po ba na umatras si PTNT sa bidding? I'm not really sure. I think yung inatras nila is yung unang case. Remember, si PTNT nag-file ng case, diba? So, it's either, I think, I think tuloy ang ano nila. I think tuloy sila na mag file for motion for reconsideration. I think yung unang case na final nila is yun yung inatras nila. But I could be wrong, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Lagyan niyo po sa comments kasi hindi ako nakapag-research. Kanina ko lang nabasa yung disclosure. Chippy, sir, ano po ulit gamit niyo music? Ask po kasi ng son ko, masarap daw pakinggan. Right? The title of the music is nasa description ng video. Right? Music by Ikson. Si Ikson yan. Ang title, Cebuano ako eh. Sa amin title, hindi title yan. Ang title is Calling, right? Ikson, Calling. I-K-S-O-N, then Calling, ang title, right? Techipi, sir, ano po ulit? Yun. Nabasa ko na pala yan. Argel Mendoza, morning po, Sir Lloyd. Kaway po sa ating mga kumita sa ISM kahapon. Thanks po, Sir Lloyd, sa mga turo niyo po. Yes, people were tumupit ako. Pero isang beses lang ako tumupit kasi I really had to go out of the house yesterday. Umabot si ISM, umabot ng napakataas, 'di ba? And then yun yung sinasabi ko, everything is right now. The market is bearish. So pag bearish ang market, the people in a bearish market are the traders, mga retailers, hindi mag-hold yan. So, nung umabot ng 7.85, this was in the chat room, right? I specifically said, guys, we have a very big, napakalaking harang sa 7.88 and it was failing 7.88. So, I already told them to, para mag-ingat na and sell their stocks, at least half of it already there. So, the people in the chat room were able to sell it at this point right here. So, good job sa mga nasa chat room. So, if you haven't joined the chat room yet, ang ganda ng guidance ng trading dito sa chat room. So, please, download Discord. This is Discord. Let me just go full screen para mas makita ninyo. So, this is the main chat room dito. Dito yung action talaga for newbies, and then the non-business related at dito hinchikahan, but this chat room will be very beneficial for you guys. May charting discussions dito. If you want people to help you in charting, meron dito. Kahit sobrang gabi na, nagcha-charting yung mga yan. Right? Look at this. 2:53 a.m. Right? Nag-aano pa yung mga tao dyan. Right? Guides. Merong guides dito. Mga guides ng mga tao if they have any. And then books andito. And then daily grind, mga recommendations are here. Books and PDFs are here. So, malaking tulong sa mga newbie traders ito. Right? So, just download Discord, and down at the video description, especially if you're a newbie, sa video description, merong invite link ng Discord group. Just use that link and then makakapasok na kayo sa chat room kagad. This is open, this is free. Yeah, and everyone is helping each other. Walang bashing dito. Right, so everything is very helpful, especially for newbies. Again, guys, please share the video. Paki-share po yung video. Right, it's the 8:37. We're gonna be starting with the discussion in a bit. Hops, kung siguro noon ko pa nalaman na may daily grind, I could have saved a lot of losses. Thank you, Sir Lord, for doing this. I'm happy I can help yan. Yun yung nakita kong problema talaga yan. Ang dami po nating naiipit, right? Ang daming naiipit, right? I was like this before, pero mas grabe ang ipit ng mga tao ngayon because of social media. Napakabilis ng news, napakabilis ng hype. Dati hindi pa ganito kalakas wala pang groups or anything. So yan, it's about time that we do this para tulungan yung mga newbies, right? Jerome Villarmosa, good morning, Sir Lloyd from KSA. Kajir, right? Good morning, yan. Kellen's Dagger, Maing Buntag, Sir Lloyd and Laika, pa-shoutout sa wife ko pa rin. Rina, right? Baluka, thanks ISM po. We'll talk about ISM in a bit. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, and to all the viewers out there from Grace Soriano. Good morning. Raymond Arano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pullback po ba kay ISM ngayong araw? I'm not really sure. That's the thing about the position of ISM right now. Hindi natin alam kung aakyat siya or kung magpo-pullback. So we're gonna be talking more about what strategy are we gonna be putting in, right? So yan. Nanette Mill, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and Laika. Si Bloom po, let's check out Bloom, right? Bloom and MRC, right? Let me share my Bloom. Nung nagsisimula pa ako, guys, hindi ko pa, ang bagal ko mag-transfer ng ng screen. Napansin niyo yung seminar videos ko. Yan. Ngayon, ang napaka-expert ko na mag-transfer yet. Bloom has a very good support right here. Right? Very solid support. You can test this support out. Ilang araw na na-hold yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. That support area is holding on strong and RSI is going up from that point. Right? So that's a very good support to check out. So the net, that this is a very good this is a very good support for Bloom. Right? MRC, just cut your losses if ever it goes down. MRC, look at that. We just talked about MRC yesterday. I was thinking that it was gonna bounce anytime soon, and nag-bounce na nga kahapon. MRC, even without PTNT, is a good company, right? And we're at that levels kung saan wala pa yung telco hype ni MRC. Andiyan na tayo sa level na yan. So that's a very good spot to start MRC. Kaso nga lang, I don't want you guys to be aggressive, right? Kung naipit man kayo, you can average down. Yung may kaibigan ako na naipit kay Vulcan when it dropped down. And what he did was he held onto it, and at the very bottom, he bought even more. And now, hindi lang siya laya, may kita pa siya. So that's a very good bounce for Vulcan. MRC naman, for MRC, yes, this is a good bounce, right? Just look for a base if you really want to get in MRC. I want it to stabilize even more before I really want to get in MRC. Right, it's 8:40. Last lang muna si Roland Hamela. Good morning, teacher. Good morning din, Emanuela Nadera. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Nice cut. Ayan, nagpagupit ako kahapon. Right? Much cleaner. Thank you. Jason Babor. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Kalbo. Right, Kellen Stagger. Maadjong buntag, Sir Lloyd and Laika. From Bohol ka, Kellens. Pa-shout out sa mahal ko, Rina Baluka. Ayan, nabasa ko na pala. From Davao. Davao Buhangin. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. God bless po. ATN and OR po. ATN is very good. Right, nga pala guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, look at that. MA20 bounce. Solid MA20 bounce. Si ATN, lahat ng stocks nagbagsakan lang dahil kay ISM. But doesn't mean ATN is not good. Right? Kay ATN, nung bumagsak yan, nag-buy more lang ako. Right? Para at least, this is buy on dips lang talaga for ATN, right? Just keep on buying on the dips. Right, so it's 8:41. We have to start our topic right now. The topic is the right mindset in getting ISM and in stocks generally, right? Yun yung pag-uusapan natin yan. But before that, we want to thank our sponsors, 2Trade Asia. Check out 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. If you're looking for a good broker, 2Trade Asia is a very fast broker, very reliable, and the thing is, they have a very good mobile app which will let you trade anytime, anywhere. So kahit lumalabas kayo, especially for those people who are casual traders na nasa labas most of the time and wala sa PC nila, 2Trade Asia is the broker for you. Check out 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. Just use my name on the referrer if you open an account, okay? Also, eToro, I want to shout out about eToro. Yan, eToro at eToro. Please check out eToro. Ang ganda. If you wanna invest, if wala kayong oras talaga to trade and hindi kayo marunong mag-trade, create an eToro account and then just do copy trading, right? Ang copy trading, meron mag-handle ng funds. So, yun, BTC ko bumagsak. So, medyo pangit yung mga napasukan ko So, ang tagal gumalaw. So, iniiwan ko lang muna. But there are other people here you can copy. Ang daming magagaling traders out there. You can copy them and whatever percentage they earn from the point that you copied them, yun ang kikitain ninyo, right? That's for copy trading. Check out eToro. Creating an account is free. Just use the link on the video description. Andyan yung eToro account na link. That will help me in return, right? So that's it for the sponsors. Let's go to our topic. Yan, let me go to full screen. One moment please. I-turn on ko lang yung electric fan ko. Ang init na. Ang init. Ayan. So, going back, continuing tayo. ISM, let me pull up ISM's chart. Ayan. So, ISM went as high as 7.88 yesterday and pumula, right? This is to be expected on a bearish market. Yun lang ang gusto ko sabihin, right? I already told you na we don't really know. Kahapon, we talked about it on the daily grind from 5.55. We don't really know where this is going. The problem is, ang daming pang tao hindi nakasakay. So they don't really know what to do. So that's understandable. I understand that. So ganito lang. Number one is, at this point right here, wala tayong base. That's the biggest point. Wala kang base. So it's either you're a momentum trader, nasasakyan mo lang ang momentum at ibibenta mo sa taas, or you're an investor. This is not a position trader's entry. So my lesson is, my question is, what is your purpose in getting in? 'Di ba? That's the plan that we always talk about. Ano ba yung plano mo? What is the purpose of you getting in there? You have to define that first before you get in. Right? Always ask yourself that. Why am I getting in at this price? Is it to be a trader? Kung trader kayo dyan, dapat nakabenta na kayo sa taas. Kung nag-trader kayo dyan, kung pumasok kayo as a momentum trader, dapat yung cut loss nyo around the same area kung kailan kayo nagbili, di ba? So, yun yung, that's the trader entry, di ba? So, is it a trader? So, if trader kayo, dapat nag-cut loss kayo. Hindi yung, papasok ako dito as a trader. And then, pag naipit ka, mag-investor na lang ako. Wag ganyan. That's a very bad practice as a trader. Right? Never change your strategy. If your strategy is to be an investor, then if it goes down, then that's okay because you can buy more, 'di ba? Yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo. If you plan to be an investor yesterday, the video ko kahapon, anong strategy dito? If you plan to be an investor, just get in there, mag-test buy. If it goes up, then good. Then you can sell half or whatever you want to do. But if you really plan to be an investor, just buy here, and then if it goes down, you still have money to average down. So, my question to you now is, anong purpose mo on getting in ISM? Is it an investor? If investor naman ang purpose mo, if it goes down, you should be happy. I'm happy it's going down because this is my opportunity to buy more. 'Di ba? So, alam ko kasi ano ang strategy ko. Kaya hindi ako natatakot kung ano man mangyari kay ISM. If ever it goes down, as long as the news is still okay, sila pa rin yung provisional, then I'm still okay. If ever may bad news, then dun ako lalabas. Swerte ko lang is medyo mababa yung pasok ko. But for those who haven't gotten in yet, anong pwedeng strategy natin mamaya? You can get in if this bounces. May mga magagandang news linabas na sa China na sila daw yung magtutulong. So that's a very good sign for what they call this, for ISM, 'di ba? So put this in your mind. We don't know where this is going. Yun lang. Ang daming natatanong sa akin, Sir Lloyd, is it gonna go up tomorrow or magpo-pull back? The thing is, we don't know. At this point, we don't really know. No one knows. Especially here. There is no technical analysis here. Anong pwede nyo makita ng technical analysis dito? Sabi ni technical analysis, over na siya. Diba? So, the technical analysis is telling us na magpo-pull back na. But this is catalyst based. So this goes beyond technical analysis. Right? Pag may news kasi iba ang galaw ng stock, hindi lang sa technicals. Right? So at this point, we don't know. That's the thing. We don't know if it's gonna go up or if it's gonna go down. Kung gusto niyo pumasok, make sure what your plan is. Are you planning to trade it? If trading lang ang purpose niyo, it's short span earnings kaagad. Lumabas kaagad kayo sa earnings niyo. Hindi yung sa tuktok, hini-hold nyo pala, investor pala kayo, kung ganun, di ba? So if you plan in as a trader, get out right away. Pag kita mo, sell half, and then pag na-hit yung purchase price mo, cut loss. Ganun lang. That's it. It should be that simple. Kung investor ka naman, pumasok ka lang, if it goes further down, you just keep buying more. Huwag ka lang mag-all in dito sa taas. Do not go all in if you're an investor. Yun lang gusto ko sabihin. If you wanna be an investor, if you see a green today, pasok kayo dyan, huwag mag-all in. Just buy more. If you can average up and then look for an intraday entry to average up. Pwede kayong mag-average up doon. Pag nag-average up naman kayo, you have to move your support to where you bought more. Ganun lang. Let me open a page para mas klaro. Right, so, for example, gawin natin si ISM na, what do you call this? Gawin natin siyang line. So, let me remove Bollinger Bands. So, gayahin natin yung linya ni ISM. Give me one moment. I really want to explain this to the newbies kasi ang daming concern pa rin sa positions nila eh. Alright, so, ganyan. Right. Right? So, lagay natin dito. For example, this is ISM now. This is the price of ISM. So, what do you do at this point? So, if ever umakyat yan, so that's a confirmation. Gawin lang natin puti or blue. Right? Sky blue. Right? So, if ever umakyat man yan, ayaw. Right? So, if ever umakyat man yan today, you buy here. Right? So, you buy. I'll put the letter B. So, buy ka dito at this point. And then, if investor ka, don't go all in. Don't go all in. Yun yung gusto ko sabihin. Don't go all in. And then, if intraday, gumawa siya ng higher low, then you decide to, if ever intraday, umakyat siya ng ganyan, and then bumaba, and then it makes a bounce, and then you decide to buy more, you can. Right? That's a good intraday position to buy more. But, if you buy more there, make sure yung support mo, ililipat mo na dito. So, if it goes further down, dito, you just cut your losses. Right? If ever, ganyan ang gusto nyo mangyari. Right? You can cut your losses here. Ang gulo eh. Right? This is for trading actually. Right? Kung gusto nyo ganyan and you buy more, that's for trading. Yan. Then, gawin yung support yan. If ever you want to cut your losses. If ayaw nyo maipit. Then just buy more if ever you look for a better position. You have that option, right? So if you buy more there and then buy more there, then that's good. Ang gusto ko lang talagang sabihin is we don't really know what will happen here. So there's a possibility na pag bili nyo dyan, bumaba yan. Right? So what if that happens and then you're an investor, pag test buy mo dyan, test buy lang naman yan, look for a good bounce and then you can buy more here. Buy more. Right? If it goes further down and maganda pa naman yung news ni ISM, just keep on buying more. Right? Yun lang. This is about volume. I tell you guys, half, even me, hindi pa ako nag-all in dyan. I'm still half entry pa lang ako dyan kasi this is this holds as speculative as of the moment. Mas maganda nga lang yung speculation niya ngayon kasi mas malaki ng chance. So, I will just be keeping on buying more and stick to volume. Ang problema kasi ng mga tao is, Sir Lloyd, pasok ako dito, ano ba yung target profit natin? Ang target profit kaagad ang iniisip ng mga tao. What I answer is, hindi presyo ang target profit ko. It's the time, right? Because I'm gonna be in it for even 10 years, right? This is our opportunity to get in this kind of stock for the long term, right? Ganito, about the mindset, about the right mindset. Ang problema kasi sa mga taong pumapasok ngayon, even the newbies, right? Sa mga newbies, the biggest mistake that they have is their mindset for stock market is they have, they have short-term gratification problems. Ang gusto ng mga tao is manalo kaagad, right? That's not the reason why you get in ISM. You get in ISM because of the future of ISM, right? Udena, right? The third telco. It's about the future. It's not about the short-term earnings dito. Ako, halo ako because I already know how to trade. But if you don't know how to trade, get in here for the long term, right? So, halo ako. Meron akong pang long-term na part ng stock ng pera ko kay ISM. Meron akong pera na pang chuchupit ko because ang daming na FOMO and the opportunity to earn through these people are there. Right? If ever you're a newbie at paglalaruan nyo ito, gusto nyo short term, paglalaruan lang kayo ng mga magagaling. I tell you guys. So, ang problema with people getting into ISM, short-term thinking. Gusto nila kita kaagad in just how many days. That's not the case in stock market. You don't know if it's gonna go up. You don't know if it's gonna go down. Right? Kaya nga, stock market is you put in money here na hindi mo kailangan. Hindi yung extra lang na okay lang sa'yo mawala. Because anyways, aakit naman yan if it's fundamentally good. Diba? So, yun. Short-term, instant gratification. Yun yung problema talaga ng mga tao. Huwag nyo po iisipin ang kikitain nyo kaagad, especially sa newbies. Huwag nyo iisipin yan. Get in here because of the future of ISM. If you have that in your mind, whatever ISM does sa presyo niya, kung bumagsak man yan, magiging kampante kayo. Because you're in it for the long term, right? Don't let the price action fool you. Please, wag yung pag bumagsak yan, natatakot na ang mga tao. Right? Natatakot kayo pag bumagsak yan. It's because you don't really know, you did not get in because of the future, right? You did not get in because of what can happen. Natatakot lang, you're just getting in because of what is happening. Short term ang thinking ninyo. Wag yan. That's very wrong in starting in stock market. Right? You have to get in at the beginning if kakasimula nyo pa lang. Look at always the long term. Kaya nga sinasabi ko lagi, if kakasimula nyo pa lang, please maging investor lang muna kayo. Wag muna kayo magte-trader. Problema, daming pumapasok kasi gusto maging trader kaagad, nakapanood lang ng mga ilang videos, trader na kaagad yung traders na daw sila kaagad. So yun, right? So if you're afraid of what's happening with ISM's price right now, that means na hindi nyo kilala ang sarili nyo. Stock market is a very expensive place to find out. Baka mag-cut loss kayo dyan. Pag ika-cut loss nyo yan, tas investor naman pala kayo, that's a very stupid move. Diba? So, bumagsak yan and then you're in it as an investor naman, it's okay. Mag-ipon kayo ng pera, dyan yung 13th month. Diba? Just keep buying more. This is our opportunity to buy more. Right? Stock market is about volume. I tell you guys, ito yung story na shinare ko kagabi sa chat room. Right? Yung mga fathers natin, yung mga tatay natin na nasa stocks na noon, swerte at nandun na sa stocks, they got the opportunity to get in PLDT at Globe at a very cheap price. Sa atin, wala na. Right? Sa atin, blue chip na si PLDT at Globe. So, wala na tayong magagawa. Ang bagal na ng galaw niya. Right? So, we didn't have that opportunity before. Now, we have this opportunity to get in on the next big winner. On the next blue chip. This is the possible next blue chip. Hindi ko sinasabi na sila na. Right? We're not really sure as of the moment. This is our opportunity to get in. Pumasok kayo as an investor. Please, be here as an investor. Right? Kung mataas na yung pasok nyo, it's okay. If it goes down, you just buy more. Ganun lang talaga. Nothing to be worried about. Right? Maganda naman. Mamaya na kayo mag-cut loss if may masama talaga mangyari sa kanila. Right? But so far, so good pa naman. Ang daming kaso, but those are minor cases. Right? Napakaliit. Ang daming nagbabash. Those are the noise. Right? Get in ISM and then just buy more if it dips down. Yun lang. This is your opportunity to become a millionaire. If sila talaga mapipili, this will be about volume. Kung 100,000 lang ang pera ninyo, yes, makakapera kayo dyan. Pero ang liit lang nakikitain ninyo. Look for volume. And the way to get best volume is if it goes down, you just keep buying and buying and buying. Ganun lang. Right? That's the mindset really I want to input sa inyo guys. If ever kakapasok nyo pa lang sa stock market and you have this problem of instant gratification, you're gonna be in trouble. Kasi pag bumagsak yung presyo na yan at makikita nyo negative na ang port ninyo, magka-cut loss kayo niyan. Then you're just gonna you'll just keep on losing money. Yun yung problema. Right? So look at this for the long term. 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Right? So, yun yung gawin yung mindset dito. Right? Let me go to the comments ng mga tao. Alright, good morning sir, Mac. Tugs BPI po, salamat po. I'm gonna write that down. John Paul Rodriguez, sir, babagsak ba today si ISM? Tumaas average ko dahil sa buy and sell kahapon. Yun yung, I just answered that. We don't really know at this point if ISM is gonna go up or gonna go down. Ang problema niyan, hindi natin masasagot yan eh. We don't really know where this is going. Right? If it goes down, then don't worry. Just keep buying more. Diba? May pera ka naman pala to buy. Diba? So, you just do that. Right? Dana Lucero, good morning sir. Swiss, good morning. How about CLC sir? CLC yan. There's this question about CLC and ISM. Sino ba pipiliin namin? Right? Let's check out CLC's chart. Alright, so CLC yung akin ng drop kahapon kay CLC. This is the answer sa debate kung bakit CLC. Ang dami pang pinapamali pa ako bakit daw si ISM ng ganyan. And dapat si CLC daw. This is the problem right here. Udena is the much better company you can pick on. And Udena is ISM. Kaya ISM yung pinipili ko talaga. CLC is going down because this is an exaggerated move. Right? CLC did invest 25% in the telco, right? May 25% sila. So, okay din naman si CLC. So, pag sila napili, CLC can grow. But, the biggest grow will be on ISM. So that's why I always picked ISM, right? Sabi ko sa inyo guys talaga si ISM pipiliin nyo. But CLC is gonna grow, right? This is a spark of an uptrend. You just wait for CLC to bounce before you wanna get in. Jerome Villahermosa, wala na akong problema kay ISM. Sold na ako lahat. Iwas stress as long as satisfied na gain. Out na, wait na lang ako retracement para may entry na. Right? So yeah, Jerome sold everything because he was a trader, right? This is a very good example. Jerome Villahermosa, sabi niya wala na siyang problema kay ISM ngayon kasi nabenta niya na lahat. That's good for Jerome, right? Because he was a trader. Ang problema naman ni Jerome ngayon is, what if ngayon umakyat siya? Diba? So, mahihirapan na naman si Jerome maghanap ng position. So, that's the downside. May advantage and may disadvantage ang investor tsaka trader. So, si trader, yes, kumita na siya, maghahanap lang siya ng pullback. But what if hindi mag-pullback? Yun yung dilemma. But you have to live with that because you have to decide if you're in it for the long term or for the short term. Kung short term naman ang plano mo, like Jerome, na magbenta niya kaagad, he's happy already. And then, kung gusto niya may makita agad siya opportunity na naman, he's just gonna buy more and sell again. So there are people like that. Be sure what your purpose is in getting in ISM. Is it to be an investor? Or is it parang si Jerome na trader lang, na sasakyan niya lang yung momentum and benta ulit, right? Ang problema niyan is, for the longer term, wala si Jerome. Mahirapan siyang pumasok, right? So mga nag-investor naman, because you keep on averaging down, kung bumaba man yan, if it goes up, you're gonna be at a very good position. You will win what Jerome is not winning, diba? So, yun yung give and take on the two situations. So, you have to really you have to really be sure what your purpose is in getting in. Huwag kayong maiinggit sa mga kumita sa bumenta kagad sa taas. Kasi, Jupitero yung mga yan. Ikaw, investor ka, that's okay. Let them earn, right? Because I'm in it for the long term. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Bagong gupeta from Anime Lover. Noel Minano. Sir, any disclosure of China? Any disclosure sa China or is it Ani? I'm not really sure what you mean, Noel. Roy Minao. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Mamaya ako mag-donate sa channel. Oh nga pala, for donations, if you wanna donate to the channel, help the cause for Financial Freedom 101. Please do, may super chat dyan. If ayaw nyo gamitan super chat, that's the $sign beside the smiley sa chat room natin of the live. If ever not, just send me a message so I can give you my bank account if ever you wanna donate. Right? Ronnie Agustin, sayang yung 20k profit ko kahapon, sir. Hindi ko nabantayan, bumaba nung afternoon. That's okay. If you wanna ask me, magkano yung nakita kong gain, tinitingnan ko, I still have money in it. Right? Tinitingnan ko yung profits ko. It bubbled at around 60k. At yun, nawala at the end of the day. That means I lost 60k, di ba? I lost 60k if ever trading money yung ginawa ko. If I was a trader, bakit hindi ako nagbenta nun? But I'm in it as an investor. So, nawala yung gain ko, but that's okay. Because I'm an investor. I'm in it for the longer term. So, that's yun yung gusto ko i-point out sa inyo. I know, manghihinayang kayo sa nakikita nyong earnings, but you really have to hold on if you are in it as an investor. Hayaan mo na yung earnings. Let the Jupiteros earn. If they're gonna sell off, yes, let them sell off because I'm just gonna buy more at the bottom. Right? So, if may nakikita yung 21k na earnings dyan, ang problema niyan is, for example, si Ronnie Agustin, may nakita siyang 21k profits niya doon. Ronnie, gawin lang kita example So, Ronnie has a problem now. Hindi niya alam kung investor siya or trader siya. So, may nakita siyang 21k. Anong gusto mong gawin? Are you gonna sell or are you gonna hold? Right? So, you don't really know. I know tempting ang 21k like Ronnie. Tempting yung 21k. But the thing is, once you sell off and the stock still goes up, you're already out of the trade. You remember that. So, okay lang kung chupetero ka. But if you are in it as an investor, that's bad because you're already out of the trade. You gave up your position just because of the 21k trade when in the future you can gain more. So you have to choose between the two. Right? Pag may nakita kang 21k gains mo dyan and then investor ka naman, hayaan mo na. Right? You can sell half if you want to. Pag nag-sell half ka niyan and mag-antay ka na retrace, what will happen is baka taas yung retracement niya, mas mataas yung retracement niya, then your average goes up. Yun yung problema. Right? Number 2 na problema is, yes, nagbenta ka sa 21k. Then what if it goes even higher up at nag-ceiling? You're already out. So you will be sacrificing your future gains just because of the 21k. So that's the dilemma right there. So you really have to define what your entry is. Are you in as an investor or are you in as a trader? Right? So ako, I was in as an investor, so hayaan ko lang, di sumupit sila and then magkabentahan man. This is my opportunity to buy more kung bumagsak. Kung bumagsak, hindi natin alam kung babagsak hindi, 'di ba? So wag kayo maiinggit. Wag kayo please, wag kayo maiinggit sa nakikita yung gains right now. If you're in as an investor, wag kayo magbenta as much as you can. If you see a weakness, you have the option to sell half and then just buy more if ever Pero ang problema sa mga tao, nagbinebenta ka agad lahat so baka ma-out kayo. That's why ang gusto kong gawin ninyo, I always shout this out sa chat room, ibenta nyo ng kalahati nyo pag may nakikita kayo malaking earnings dyan, ibenta nyo ng kalahati nyo so that mabawasan na ang emotion ninyo. Especially if you're a newbie, you won't be able to hold on to your emotion that much. Especially if ganito lang, first time nyo nakapanalo ng ganito kalaki, right? Your emotion is gonna be playing with your mind. Kahit na gawin mong investor ang pagpasok mo, then makita mo na yung gains, lalabas ka dyan, magiging greedy ka because of the money that you're seeing. So I want you to sell half. If you are already earning much, sell half. Mababawasan ang emotion ninyo. You'll be able to decide properly if ever lesser na ang amount of the emotion that you're experiencing. Right? Bull and Bear, good day, Sir Lloyd, sir. IRC and ATN po. IRC, let's check out IRC. Ito si IRC. A very good example. Si IRC, right? Si IRC, mga tao is nagbentahan kay IRC when it broke MA20. If you were a trader, then yes. Now, the purpose of getting into IRC is really about the train, di ba? So, if you're in it for the train, that's for long term. Hindi instant aakyat yan. Even ISM, di ba? Purpose ni ISM is really to become the third telco. Malaki ang third telco, but it will take time for it to reach there, right? So it's really for long term. IRC then, the subway, ilang mga 1 year, 2 years pa si IRC na magne-negative ang earnings niya kasi malaki ang gastos nila dyan sa train, right? So magne-negative yan. So it can go up or it can go down, but in the long term, aakyat yan. Ang laki ng kita ng subway na yon. That will be very big for Manila. So if you're in it for the long term na project nila, don't let the price action fool you. Baka kasi mag-cut loss kayo diba? And then aakyat din naman yan kasi fundamentals, diba? So make sure what your purpose is. If ever ang purpose nyo is trading, then mag-cut loss kayo. Right? If ever your purpose is investing, this was an opportunity to buy more. Nung nagkabentahan ng mga tao, that's when you become greedy, when others are fearful. And look at that. The good players just bought your stocks kung nag-cut loss man kayo niyan. Binili lang ng mga magagaling yan kahapon. Because they know that the fundamentals of IRC is still really good. So if you wanna get in IRC, what is your purpose in getting in? Are you as an investor? Kung investor kayo, kahit anong gawin yan, ang presyo na yan, okay lang. Kung bumaba man yan, I'm just gonna be buying more. If trader naman ang purpose ninyo, then just cut your losses, diba? So, ganun lang. For IRC, define what your purpose is. ATN naman, still same with ATN. Good MA20 bounce, that's a buy right there. ATN is good for long term. I've been saying that even dito pa lang sa baba, ATN is a good company for long term, right? So nga lang, bearish ang market, so nahihirapan umakyat si ATN. Gorley, sir, yung SMPH, okay na ba pasukin? Let's check out SMPH. SMPH, good price action. Overall, SMPH is still is a very good price. This is at a very good price right here sa SMPH. So yeah, for me, that's a good price to get into. Pwede nyo pasukin yan sa SMPH. Sayang ang posisyon niya, napakamura na. Noel Minano, Anis po, what's your move? Hindi ko nakita yung disclosure ni Annie Right, but Annie, somehow nagsusupport pa naman siya. Very good price action. Overall, ang taas na kasi ni Annie That's why I don't really recommend Annie anymore. Nirecommend ko si Annie dito noon, right? And then, naghanap na ng mga tao. Annie right now, I don't wanna recommend Annie kasi medyo ang taas na ni Annie. Right? But if you wanna test it out, look for a good support. Right now, nagda-downtrend si Annie. So, I want Annie to really break the MA20 and then make a higher low before I wanna get in Annie. So, right now, not seeing a good price action kay Annie muna. Right? Halo It's a mix of an uptrend and then the downtrend. So, I don't wanna check out Annie. For now, I don't wanna be aggressive with Annie. Eliezer Lorraine, Sir Lloyd, thanks not only for the stock records but for for also making people confident with their traders through mindset conditioning. Thank you so much then, Eleazar. Right. Hi, Eri. Jason Ibay, Sir Lloyd. Gain ako kay ISM, tas bumili ulit loss ako, right? So, na-loss na, di ba? So, ang problema for Jason is, na-mix niya, right? He got in as a trader, right? So, dapat you know how to get out as a trader also. Hindi yung you get in kasi you wanna be a trader and then pag bumagsak, so, okay lang, hindi ako magka-cut loss kasi mag-investor na lang ako. That's really bad practice as a trader. Right? You're breaking your system. Right? Pangit yan as a trader. Don't do that. So, really define what your purpose is. If gusto mo maging trader, follow your system, cut your losses. Right? Eri, ISM, we just talked about ISM. Rogelio Junior Garcia. Again, guys, review lang kay ISM. We don't really know what's gonna happen kay ISM. If it's gonna go up, then good. If it's gonna go down, then that's good for investors. If it's gonna go up and gusto nyo sumakay, you decide first what your purpose is. Are you gonna get in as an investor? Right? Kung gusto nyo maging investor, mag-test buy lang kayo so that if ever it goes down, because we don't know where it's going. If ever it goes down, you still have money to buy more. Kung gusto mo naman maging chupetero and you want a momentum trade, pwede ka mag-all-in dyan tapos ibenta mo kaagad sa taas. Pwede mong gawin yan. That's your option. But the point is, define what your purpose is first in getting in. Right? All-in Quintanar, tataas po kaya ISN ngayon, sir. That's a good example sa mga hindi, yun yung problema natin. We don't really know where the stock is going. Right? No one can predict that, right? So, yun ang problema. So, you have to decide if you want to get in or not. If you want to get in as an investor, then pumasok kayo. Whether, ganito lang, all in ha, do you want to be an investor? If you want to be an investor, then just get in, regardless of what will happen. Kung aakyat man yan or bababa, get in, test buy. If it goes up, then good. If it goes down, then good pa rin. It's just your opportunity to buy more. Hindi natin kasi alam kung lilipad. Ang problema kasi kung hindi ka papasok, ang problema, investor ako pero gusto ko sa baba. Ang problema natin is hindi natin alam kung bababa yan. So, ganyan ang nangyayari. This is the 6th cycle right now. Ang mga tao, they wanna be an investor pero gusto nilang pumasok sa baba. The problem is we don't really know if it's gonna go down. Right? I wanna put emphasis on that. We don't know if it's gonna go down. So, ang nangyayari sa mga newbies is, I'm waiting for it to dip for my entry. That's position trading, please, 'di ba? That's a position trader kung naghahanap ka ng magandang position. If you wanna be an investor, just get in. Kasi ang problema, if gusto mong investor pero gusto mong mag-dip muna siya before ka pumasok, ang problema, hindi nagdi-dip yan. Kahapon, nagsimula si ISM sa taas. Investor ka, nag-aantay ka sa dip. Walang dip na nangyari. So, umaangat ng umaangat. Andun na nagsisimula ang FOMO. Gusto ko pumasok as an investor pero tumaas siya ng tumaas. So, at around 7.13, 7.14, wala na. Parang magsisiling na ito. Pumasok na lang ako. So, pumasok na yung investor and then, ayun, doon na sila sa taas na ipit tuloy. Right? If you wanna get in as an investor, wag mo nang antayin yung dip. People who are getting in at the dips, that's for position trading. Right? That's for, sa mga nagpo-position. If you're an investor, just get in. If it goes down, then just buy more. Ganun lang. Ang mangyayari niyan is, yan, ganito. For sure, ganito yung mangyayari mamaya. Ang hirap i-explain ito eh. I really wanna put a scenario. For now, 6.30 yung presyo. I want to be an investor. For example, ako wala pa akong position kay ISM, 6.32. Uy, gusto ko pumasok kay ISM, investor ako. Kaso nga lang, gusto ko munang bumaba ito. Right? Gusto ko bumaba. The problem is we don't know if it's gonna go down. What if it starts going up today? Right? Kuha lang ako ng linya. What if it starts going up here? Umakyat. Uy, 7.705 na. Nako. Ang taas na. Paano ako nito po position ngayon? Ang taas na ng magiging position ko niyan. Right? So, if it goes to 7.5, FOMO begins. Mukhang magsisiling na ito. Hindi ako nakaposition sa baba. So, sasakay na ako. Yun yung mangyayari. Right? And then, pag tumaas na talaga dyan, ang hirap ng position. Kaya ang dami pa rin tao ngayon na walang position kasi hindi sila makadecide. Right? So, yan yung problema. If you don't want to get in now, it's just gonna feed your FOMO. Right?
You're just gonna be frustrated because it's gonna go up and gonna go up. Hindi nyo alam kung ano mangyayari. If it goes down, then good. Then that's good. If it goes down, then that's good. Maintain your position. But if it starts to go up, pumasok na kayo, right? And then just buy more if it goes down. Right? Kasi mafu-FOMO kayo niyan if hindi kayo pumasok na. Right? Just test buy. Yun yung tinuro ko sa inyo kahapon. If it goes up now at around 6.57 and nasa 6.30 na siya, pag nag 6.4 yan, bumili na kayo. Mag-test buy na kayo. Right? At least, mawawala yung FOMO niyan kasi may position na kayo dyan. Right? So that's what I really wanna give out. That's the information I really wanna share to everyone today. Yes, it is wise for it to dip, pero pag hindi nag-dip yan, I tell you, mafo-FOMO kayo. Right? So, good morning, sir. This is from Macy. Ano po benefit of having another account for broker? My purpose of having many brokers is for the research. Iba-iba kasi yung research ng mga brokers. So, I really need that because I really want to study the market, right? I'm not a member of their group, so I don't really have access to their research. So, yun lang. Kaya gumawa ako ng maraming accounts for the research purposes. You don't have to do that. At least 2, at most 2, okay na yun. Right? Pinoy Stock Trader, good day, sir. Si Macy kasi, pwede mo sa ang isa, pang one time, big time mo lang. The other one is for, yun yung pang chupit-chupit mo. Right? But don't do that if hindi pa naman kayo magagaling. Right? Macy Custodio, Pinoy Stock Trader, good day, sir. Good day din. Genoveva Lim, good morning, sir. Sir Lloyd, lost po ako kahapon. Lag kasi BPI trade. Ayan. Ito guys, there are platforms for traders and there are platforms really for investors, best for investors, right? Si for me lang nothing against these brokers. For me, si Call, si BPI, si BDO, those are best for investors. Yung bili lang kung kailan lang gusto. But for crunch time, yung mabilisan, like nangyayari ngayon kay ISM, these platforms are gonna be lagging. And maiipit lang kayo dyan. These platforms are not best for trading, right? If you wanna use them, make sure pang investing nyo yan. If you wanna be a trader, spend time in creating an account for a much better trader platform. To Trade Asia, First Metrosec, sino pa ba? Timson, Philstocks. Those are one of para sa akin yun yung top 4 best brokers for trading, right? Brilliant Angkor, salamat po ng marami, sir. ISM through the moon, and you're welcome sa mga nagkaka-earn nas kay ISM. Rex Rosales, good morning, sir Lloyd. Can you talk about IRC and the news surrounding it? Siguro I'll do much deeper research. Hindi ako nakapag-deep research kay IRC, right? On Monday we'll talk more about IRC, right? On Monday. So far maganda naman yung niya. Maganda na yung price action niya. Michael Ecalde, sir. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ano kaya aasahan natin ngayon, sir? Kay ISM, I don't really know where this is going, right? Pwedeng makachupit dyan pag momentum trading, but definitely, if you're a newbie, please, wag yung instant money kaagad na iniisip ninyo. Be here as an investor, right? Rosana Reyes, gandang umaga. Laika, Sir Lloyd, thank you from Dubai. Yan, mga kapatid natin nasa Dubai. Andyan sila. Ang aga-aga pa ngayon. Right? Gerald Mel Alvaran. Ano kaya, sir, magaganap ngayon kay ISM and CLC? We don't really know. That's the problem right now. This is a very high position, right? This position are for intraday traders or momentum trader. If you're not an intraday trader, wag na. Kung papasok man kayo dyan, it's either you're a momentum trader or investor. This is an investor entry. Para kung bumaba man yan, okay lang. Kung umakyat, then good. Kung bumaba, okay lang. Kasi, bibili ka naman mas marami pa sa baba. Diba? So, yeah. This position right here, it's not really good for newbies. Right? Not good for newbies na nagtatrade. This is okay for investors. If ever maipit man kayo, this is your opportunity to buy more if ever it goes down. Because we don't really know if it's gonna go up or not. Steph Paraiso, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, then. Oscar Ramagas, good morning, by Lloyd and family from Dubai. Off topic, by Lloyd, what can you say about Ripple, XRP, and about Singapore na crypto na ilang gamiton and Ripple ang ilang gamiton? That's very good for Ripple, actually. That's a very good move for Ripple, right? Side bit lang, ang kagandahan kasi ng crypto is hindi sila apektado sa economy at if ever may problema sa bansa ninyo. For example, ngayon, nangyari kay Venezuela, 'di ba? Bumagsak ang economy ng Venezuela. Yung pera nila wala nang kwenta. What if during that point binili mo ng Bitcoin ang pera mo nung hindi pa walang kwenta ang pera mo, right? So kahit na bumagsak ang value ng pera mo, the crypto is still there. It's very stable at 6,000. So hindi bumagsak ang pera mo. What if kasi kung yung fiat money, yung pera natin ngayon, for example, sa atin mabagal lang, pero lumiliit ang value ng piso, di ba? So what if may 1 million ka ngayon? Bili mo ng crypto ngayon. Tapos, what if 6,000 pa rin si crypto 10 years from now? So, the money, the value of your money is still constant. Kung bumagsak man ang value ng peso, your money is still safe kasi linagay mo sa crypto, di ba? So, that's the advantage of crypto din naman. JPM Gamer Sir Lloyd, as an investor, is it good to go sa mga stockholders meeting like ISM December 18? It's good if malaki ang hawak nyo stocks. If not, you don't have to, right? Just antayin mo lang yung news. Wala namang kwenta ang votes natin dyan, right? So, you don't really have to do that, right? Lemon Night Vent, maayong buntag Sir Lloyd from Cebu. Right, from Cebu din. Silingan ko to. Be healthy always, please, para walang absence sa live streaming. Alright. Gilbert Correa, if you want, guys, if you want to send me anything, like mga vitamins or mga letters, if you want me to read out letters, fan mails, send me a message so I can send you my address kung mayroon kayong mga gustong ipadala, right? Even mails. Gusto ko mga mails talaga. Na if meron kayong gustong isulat, then you can send me a letter. Send me a message para ibigay ko sa inyo yung address ko. Gilbert Correa, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Kilua XP, nag-withdraw na si PTNT as per Sec Rio sa CNN. Dalawa kasi yun withdraw as a third telco player. If that's the case, then that's good for ISM. Baka lumipad sa ISM ngayon. Or if yung case lang nila na final nila dati yung withdraw nila, I haven't really verified that, Kilua. Right. Elon Alberto, good morning Sir Lloyd. CLC good for long term like ISM? Yes, definitely good. Pag naging third telco sila, yes, sasama si CLC dyan. But I will strongly recommend go for ISM instead. Sir, IRC, bumaba sa support pero nag-bounce. Any thoughts? That's very good price action. Get in IRC as an investor dahil sa train project na yan. Right? Diana Zafra. Si Diana Zafra. Friend here. Friend ko dito sa Cebu. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, Papo. Si Papo pala to. Ayan. Ginagamit mo ang account ng girlfriend mo, Papo, ha? Richard Pantex. Hi, Sir Lloyd. Holder of ISM at 6.3 and doing trading. What's the next support po ni ISM? Ang hirap right? We have to look at the intraday chart ni ISM to really know yung next na support niya, right? Sa intraday support, the biggest support right now of ISM is around 6.21. So that's the support ISM has been forming. Right? So nasa 6.21 ang biggest support niya sa intraday. SG Morales, Sir Lloyd, paano yung po nakuha yung 5.85 at ISM at opening? Paano niyo po nakuha yung Alright, so it's 9:22. Sige, let me just zoom in. Tingnan natin yung opening ni ISM ngayon, ha. Paano daw natin nakukuha? So, let me just minimize these things. I'm gonna be opening my Timson, right? Sa Timson kasi nakukuha ninyo yung opening ng yung projected opening, right? So I'm gonna show you this is Timson. Hindi ko lang ipapakita kung magkano yung laman. Pakita nyo ko lang sa inyo is yung portion kung saan andyan yung projected opening. Just to answer the question of SG Morales. Alright, so let me open projected price. Here we go. Let me share my screen. Projected price by percentage change. So, ang pinakamalaking change ngayon is ATN. Projected opening ni ATN at 9:30 is around 3.94% increase. IRC, very good for IRC start. Sila ISM, hindi gaanong aakit sila ISM ngayon na. Right? I haven't seen ISM. Wala si ISM dito sa top. So, and then si ISM. Ang percentage ng akyat lang ni ISM will be 6.32. That's the possible opening price of ISM. So, I guess, walang gaanong action kay ISM ngayon. So, we don't really know where ISM is going. This is ISM showing us na baka mag-pullback siya. So, baka mag-pullback ngayon si ISM. So, this is good for the investors kasi this is our chance to buy more. Kung mag-pullback man si ISM, that's okay. Sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, Kung mag-pullback man yan, wag muna kayong pumasok. Antayin nyo muna yung bounce. I think ISM's with the projected opening, mahina yung momentum ni ISM ngayon. Sila IS ang malaki. Si IS, 13% ang increase niya sa simula. Right? MRC, right? Very good bounce for MRC. Good job sa mga nag-average down. SSI, so yun yung mga winners natin for today, big winners. So that's for the opening though. So amateur hours pa lang yan. If you don't know what amateur hour is, yun yung hour na napaka galaw pa ng mga tao, right? The people don't really know what to do yet. Napaka volatile pa ng market niyan. Ang hirap maglaro diyan for traders. Right? So, it's 9:24. Meron pa tayong konting oras. Oscar Romagos, done video sharing. Thank you so much. Eugene Escaleto, good morning coach and Laika. MRC please. Yan si MRC aakyat ngayon, so it's good to average down. JC Cruz 662, may bulong sa Discord. Tingnan ko mamaya. Sir Ani po, China deal news. Uy, malaki pala yun, right? So if ever may magandang project si Ani, yeah, you can check it out, but I'm not seeing Ani sa top earners ngayon, so I guess that's just that will be a good catalyst pero hindi gaanong malakas. Right? So, wala si Ani dito hindi siya magpo-project na malaki opening So, yeah, check it out na lang. Your fear is our gain. Always remember, never forget. Yes, your fear yung mga tao na magka-cut loss kay ISM, that's their fear kicking in. It will just be our gain. Right? Ang gagawin namin dyan is we're just gonna buy your sell off kay ISM. It's 9:25. That's it for today. Alright, so remember guys, pasensya na if hindi ko mababasa lahat. I'll try to read them after. Remember, it's Friday, profit taking day, so baka mag-profit taking yung mga tao kay ISM. That's okay. If it goes down, just buy more, right? Yung ganun lang. It's that simple. Don't be greedy. Define what your purpose is in getting in a stock. Are you gonna get in as an investor? Are you gonna get in as a trader? And if you are winning, you can sell half para mabawasan yung emotion ninyo of greed, right? Just sell half, right? I tell you, it's a very effective way to ease out on the emotions behind trading. That's it for today. Enjoy your weekend. Meron akong workshop mamayang gabi. Pwede pa kayong humabol sa registration. If you want to join, please send me a message so I can give you the details on how to join the workshop. It will be a very helpful workshop sa inyo guys. Alright? Para whenever something bullish comes and you know how to take advantage of it, hindi yung kayo yung nata-take advantage on, like yung mga nachuchupitan namin, right? I'm really sorry about that, but that's the market. You can take money off from those who don't really know how to play these games. So you can take advantage of these moments. I invite you on my workshop, right? Just send me a message if you're gonna join. That's it for today. Enjoy your weekend. Let's get rich together. Have a great day. Bye-bye.